Mutaaramu wa mantu jegierera mwenda mithika mzalendo norite thirikari kwirutaniria gucokia nkuma kiria Kenya na kinya kenda bagia witikio na ya kiari mzalendo ra kinya ni mwerekeria wa ikundi gya kumenyera riera kia Pan African Climate Justice Alliance ugite maandamano jarajara ario ntukuinka inthiru njatumite Kenya bakagia kanja na thirikari aritejeja kiri mambura ja kuingia kigomano gya kuritana ntukukonia umenyeri bubu borera.
Ikiathoni ya kuinga kigomano gya kwariria haki ya kwinyangika kwa riera kira kiruthitwe kwa biumia biiri ndeni ya University ya Chuka na kureta amwe athomi kuma nthiguru 87 kibanganitwe ikiama gya Pan African Climate Justice Alliance kira gitongeretwe i Daktari Mwenda Mithika. Bakiaria Mithika amwe na munini wa chancellor wa University ino ya Chuka Professor Henry Mutembei ibauritie nthiguru mwanya mwanya kuwatira mibango ya gutethia gucokaniria wagiri bwa riera.
Ana baba barejete kenda bathoma na bagia skills cia gwita kwambiria movement kwao kumenyera climate yetu. Twari na rito kuma Brazil, Canada, Asia, West Africa, South Africa, North Africa na kuririkana kinya muntu uria wonete Chuka kethere Jerusa kanywa 1951 nonto ugire ukeja nyoni nyingi cia kuma nthiguru nyingi na cieja ikaria guku kuma kiritwe na cieta ikenete
kinyethira ni irari international ni turatikira advantage kenda tumba kubwithiria training ana betu na ni onjira yo empowerana ndakai bethe nduke bethe non tu kare obekira power ukare obatrain bakare kuona opportunities yontoyi no kabakarisota ayo ntumanto yaya okareka.
We need young people doing innovation. We need young people advising policymakers. We need young people driving change from building and shaping the public discourse. We also need young people on the tables of negotiations. And therefore, this is what PACJA has been doing for 2 weeks, inspiring, igniting 200 plus young people drawn from the continent of Africa. And we are about to see the change.
Nkruki ibauritie thirikari ya Kenya ichogie bura kumbikana gutigira ati nthiguru ino igutongorwa bura kubatirie tabrambe umbithi banthuke ya Gen Z bagityo bakenda kugia thiri itari na maandamano maramomba kurigiria antu kuma nthiguru chingi kuja Kenya igomano ni tabibi barabajaga na bagatigira nthiguru ino mbia imbingi.
Tuendelee kinya kurombera monene na tuonthi oria enderete kuthikiria mayuthi na ninkumenya actions ira alanonsire goro ni nthongi actually igekwa into action ni nthongi tuma thinene reriku no mekinya thina yu ni mwire contributor to problems in climate justice nonto anto baya wa mbeze kinya kinya cia froka cieta na wikara utumiro bubwega anene ponthe baba kuritira anto ngugi ugatonyo obicine kwimathira thithia mantu jaja kagitatia jagatethia nchera cietu na ile ikeya nyumene ya batwe
itwera waku ya antu baumba kwa baka disrupt ka baka thangalania training yeye lakini nubati kumenya barari kuno young people baba ingi barari ba around the university lakini bo awatire ndoni nontu ibamenyere yonde ni uba benefit ku utemuntu kwenda musuko nontu bisa ile ikuoneka mitandaone ile ikuoneka CNN ile ikuoneka BBC ikuthukia rietwa rerega la Kenya ati Kenya intukira kikuo ni chaos ni yontu kuragana raya cia polisi
baba ibamo ba athomi kuma nthiguru mwanya mwanya baraba itigite kigomano giki.
I just wanted to appreciate PACJA for exposing our next leaders, African leaders, but also other allies as well, on the concepts of climate justice.
We learn a lot, and I believe this is an opportunity for us to go back to our country and implement whatsoever we learn here.
I go back home with innovative ideas on how to tackle water scarcity, especially because majority of our community that is vulnerable depend on agriculture for their livelihoods.
It is a time to take action and be part of solution because our plant need us, and it was a great opportunity to be the generation who said never again for everything we didn't like, we didn't want.
Our first generation of leaders in Africa talks a lot about Pan-Africanism, but we now see PACJA give life to that vision, bringing young Africans together from all over the continent to deal with existential challenges that we face. and we are grateful to Pakja.
Nkiripotera weru wikendi kuma gichigo bunge ya Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe Mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.